Hi, in front of me is LG Wing, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, open Play Store. Now type Magic Fluids and download this app from this developer. Open it and tap at the bottom right corner. Choose Settings, click I accept, and over here you can customize your wallpaper however you want to. When you're done, tap at the top right corner and bottom right corner again. Choose Set as Live Wallpaper, click Apply, and tap on Set on Lock Screen to enable it on lock screen as well. When you're done, click Set. Now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!